So let's compare Genspark AI to ChatGPT because a lot of people are going to want to determine which platform is best for their use case. So ChatGPT has a pro plan for $20 a month. Sorry, the plus plan for $20 per month and then the pro plan for $200 per month. Most people are going to just use the free plan or $20 per month plus plan, and that is sufficient for their needs. Genspark AI, if you're doing a monthly plan, the plus is going to be $25 per month and the pro is going to be $250 per month. But if you do annually plan, you're going to have a discount, so $20 per month and $200 per month for the pro plan, which is very similar to ChatGPT's pricing structure. So you're wondering which one is better and what are the differences. So the primary function for Genspark AI is going to be AI powered search and information synthesis. It can generate informational pages and it has real time data access. Comparing it to ChatGPT, it's more conversational assistance and content generation. It does engage in dialogue, and real time data analysis is limited, but it depends on your integration because you're going to have to use the API for that. For Genspark AI, it's best for comprehensive research versus ChatGPT. It's better for writing assistance and question and answers, and it has a more chat-based interface compared to Genspark AI. So that's basically the differences. They're both great platforms. ChatGPT is a little bit more popular, so if you want what's popular, ChatGPT is a better option.